Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhainder. Now I am going to explain part 2 of chapter 4 of CEL Television Receiver. In this chapter we are going to study the LCD and LED TV concept, NHK and UG system, OLED concept and the DTS system. LCD and LED TV. LCD and LED TV is a television display technology based on the liquid crystal display. LCD TV consumes much less power than plasma displays because they work on the principle of blocking light rather than emitting it. It consists of array of tiny segments that can be manipulated to present information. It uses the polarization of lights. It uses the only ambient light to illuminate the display, and a common wristwatch and a pocket calculator to an advanced VGA computer screen. LCD consists of CCFL technology in the backlight portion, so by which intensity of light intensity generates, which further follows on the crystals, and accordingly it generates the image. Liquid crystal display, so here the light enters the polarization. Pneumatic crystal is based on voltages and it allows the light to pass through to other. Advantage of LCD TV, it sharpness, the image is perfectly sharp at the negative resolution of the panel. So by using analog input requires a careful adjustment of pixel. Geometric distortions is there. Then brightness, so very bright images like high peak intensity is produced. Screens are perfectly flat, and there is a small footprint and consume the little electricity and produce the little heat. These are the disadvantage of LCD regarding the resolution. Then interference and the viewing angle is limited. Black level, contrast level and color saturation have difficulty producing the black and very dark grays. So as a result, they generally have the lower contrast than CRT, and the color saturation for the low intensity colors is also reduced. So grayscale accuracy is also restricted. These are the another disadvantages of LCD. Aspect ratio have a fixed resolution aspect ratio. Cost is considerably more expensive than the comparable CRT. Applications used in thin film transistors, alphanumeric display. It also using backlighting system. LED TVs or light emitting diode technology has been around for a while, whereas the use of LEDs for illuminating the screen of LCD TVs is relatively new. Cold cathode fluorescent lamps are used to illuminate a traditional LCD TV. So in backlight portion we replace the LEDs instead of CCFL, and this new lighting system is very popular with the consumers, and some predict LED lighting will replace all other technologies in the near future. So here this shows the construction of LED TV. So in the backlight portion, CCFL are replaced by the LED. Remaining construction is same as that of LCD. Advantages: LCD technology is the same in the cathode fluorescent lamp, LED TV and LED lit TVs, but the LED lighting of results in a sharper picture, so more energy efficient, about the 40% electricity than a standard LCD TV. LED backlighting system has no delay or warm-up time, and LED lit TVs are much thinner than the traditional LCD or plasma TVs. LCD displays and LED displays use backlight illumination technology. The difference between these two, CCFLs are used in LCD, LED technology is used. Longevity, so many consumers are concerned with the longevity of LCD versus LED. So LCD can experience burnings, which is shadow image on the screen that does not go away. But here the LED displays do not have burn-in problems due to difference in their backlight technology. Viewing angles, so more viewing angle produced by the LCD due to the LED's backlight distribution. So LED technology offers, so which is not offered in case of LCD. So this is the LED technology construction. So in backlight we are providing the LED structure. OLED structure, organic LED. So this is a same again organic layer we are using. So now organic LED are also similar to the LCD, but in LCD and LED we use the backlight unit, so which is not present in the organic LED display. In spite of one of the material is used in organic LED, so on which the when the light falls on this material, it emits the light. So this technology or this concept is used in organic LED display. Next one is the NHK and music system. So in 1969, the Japanese state broadcaster NHK first developed consumer high definition television with 5:3 aspect ratios. So generally 4:3 is a standard, but for consumer they produce the 5:3 aspect ratio. And MUSE is a multiple sub-Nyquist sampling encoding. So it is a HDTV bandwidth completion scheme developed by the NHK. So this is a DTH system. So DTH system consists of dish antenna, low noise block converter, coaxial cable connector and setup box. It also has indoor and outdoor unit. So DTH means direct to home. So we take a signal from the satellite, then it converts into a low frequency signal and then forwarded for the color TV receiver and television or image is produced on the screen of television. Okay, so it consists of indoor and outdoor units. So these are the units of indoor and outdoor and applications of DTH or the function of DTH. This is a block diagram of DTH system. DTH benefits: it is a cost-effective communication, information and entertainment. DTH services are transparent, providing the digital quality video, audio, radio and IP to all at equal prices and other benefits with reliability. DTH applications are used in Doordarshan free-to-air services, providing 40 TV channels with no subscription fee in an attractive proposition to people in urban and rural areas. A number has started IP broadcast with written channel on PSTN line, and this would be for education and other applications. This is a block diagram for low noise block converter, which accepts the signals from the satellites which are very high in nature. So these high frequency signals are converted into low frequency signal with the help of local oscillator and then further forwarded to the television for broadcasting. Thank you.